Hi, my name is Jeremy Shuback, and what we're going to be covering in this course are the fundamentals of Photoshop. I'm assuming that you're coming in not necessarily knowing the program, and you don't want to deal with all of the little tools that you don't care to know about. So let me actually show you what I've created with Photoshop as I talk about exactly what we'll be covering in this course. So here's a little sample of things that I've done with background painting using Photoshop. I've used it to create billboards, poster designs, all sorts of other things. But you don't care about me. What you really care about is what you're going to be learning in the next 4 hours. We start with covering the basics, just understanding the interface. After that, we go into layers, which is a fundamental building block of Photoshop. If you don't understand layers, you don't understand Photoshop. Next, we get into selection. Getting a good selection gets you 95% of the way there to getting a good image. And after that, we talk about color correction. And being able to fix colors can take as little as 3 clicks or can take quite a bit of adjusting. Those 3 elements are really the fundamental building blocks on which Photoshop stands. So if you understand layers, selection, and color correction, you have the fundamentals down. And that's what we start with. After finishing an in-depth look at each of those, we talk about applying them in ways that you might not think of. Because really, the goal of this course isn't to show you 100 different complicated tools and how if you go to this drop-down menu, you'll discover that this tiny little feature exists that works, 1 out of 1,000 times. It's showing you how to use 30 or 40 tools, probably less than that, and by combining them in interesting, fascinating, amazing ways, you can get results of just about anything. So if you haven't used Photoshop before, or if you've been using it for a while but just kind of been fumbling with it, this course will get you on your feet on very solid grounding to understand exactly what you need to do. All right. So go ahead and take a look at some of the free sample videos that I've put out there. I think you'll enjoy them. Again, my name is Jeremy Shuback, and this is the 4-hour crash course. Enjoy.